Yo, what up YouTube Ex? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video, another unboxing for you guys, so you already know the deal. So I might not even have to move everything out the way, just move this mouse and just move this, something like that. Put this on the dock. Because what we got, we only need a little bit of room for this package. So here we go right here. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So we just want to cut through that like that. Really ain't need the bat knife, but hey, dramatic effect, right? What did I get? We brought this. Now, I was going to wait to get this capture card, but I want to be able to stream. I want to be able to get up and going right now. I have the Elgato HD60S, which I don't like using with my ROG. With my ROG Ally. That's how I've been streaming my PC games. I can use my other PC, bring it in here, but I want to keep it inside the other room because I'm going to be PC gaming like that. So inside the other room, I do have another PC set up right there, which I'm going to be using my ROG Ally to bring in there to stream. So I'm going to be moving things backwards and forwards. So I got one in here. I'm going to bring the HD60 inside the other room, because the other room, that PC is mostly for 1080p streaming. This here is for 1440p 4K streaming. So that's why this is in here. So that's why I got that right there, so you guys can actually see. So what do we have in the box? What do we have in the box? You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox that shit. Shirts will be going on sale soon of me saying that. So keep an eye out on that. So let's open this up. NZXT. Love NZXT products. Here we go. Oh, this thing is small. And that's not what she said. So sorry if I got sorry guys if y'all hear me coughing and stuff like that. The reason why is my allergies is killing me. Nose is running, seasonal change, spring is here, and it's just too much on me. Eyes burning, everything. So this is what we get right here. A little puck. Got the purple and the black going on here, as you can see right there. NZXT. What do we get in the box? We get a USB type A to USB type C, and we get one HDMI cord, which I have the other to provide. So I am going to be switching that up now. So yeah, how do y'all like the audio coming through? I'm actually using the Fine Amplify headset to do this recording through my new iPhone 15 Pro. So yeah, that's basically how it sounds. Let's get this back inside here. And this plastic paper, whatever you want to call it. And this back inside here as so. Drop this down. And there we go. Stuff right there. Put that right there. And that can be my little thumbnail right there. Let me see. Yeah, that's perfect for a thumbnail. Alright guys, so check this out. I want you guys to subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy gang, and check this out guys, check this one out. I want you guys to look down below. If you on your computer, I want you to look down below. You see the like button, right? So here's the thing. If you see the rainbow lights up after I say this next thing, if you see that rainbow, I want you to hit that like button, all right? So I want you to smash that like button right now, all right? Smash it. And I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Smash the like button if you see that rainbow. Peace.